Hello YouTube gardeners. Today we are getting in our pepper and chili starts and the rest of our tomatoes. And we are so happy with these two new steps that we've added because the results are amazing. These are the healthiest pepper, chili, and tomato starts we have ever grown. And I believe it's because of these two steps that we've added, along with them growing in the greenhouse. All of these tomato plants are so healthy, no deficiencies at all. I started having a little bit of purpling under the leaves, and I decided to switch to this Dr. Earth Premium Gold liquid fertilizer, and I've been feeding them a diluted blend of 2 tablespoons per gallon. And wow, these guys are the most beautiful, happy tomato and pepper starts that we've ever had. What is that I see? Oh wow, I'll tell you, they are loving living in the greenhouse, but pests, especially aphids, are a pretty big problem in the greenhouse. And look at this, we got our first tomato hornworm. You can see there he is right here, already munching away on our young tomatoes. So from here on out, we will definitely be using this Dr. Earth Premium Gold, the diluted mix. The plants just love it. And the other step that we have added is when we're transplanting our little seedlings into their transition container, we're placing them much deeper than normal. And we've been doing this for a while with the tomato starts, but we weren't sure how the pepper and chili plants were gonna like it, and they love it. It's producing a nice, strong, sturdy pepper plant. They're really some of the happiest starts we've ever grown. Some of these guys, when transplanting from their little cells into these bigger containers, I buried them. For instance, this one I tagged. This one I buried very, very deep. Let me see if I can get it out. It was small. It was doing not too well. It was really flimsy, and it's doing great. So great results. And we'll definitely be making sure to feed these guys the Dr. Earth Premium Gold and get them planted deeper in the containers, because it definitely produces a stronger, more sturdy start. All of these plants have loved growing in the greenhouse, but it's definitely been challenging since we're having that heat wave. Thankfully, we're going to have some low 80s for a little bit, but then we're going to be right back up to mid 90s. I even saw upper 90s. Pretty early for this time of year. And for a greenhouse, that's very challenging. So we're getting it shaded, but plenty of light, as you can see, still comes through, because these plants are very happy growing in the greenhouse. All right, that's it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys our amazing results, in case you wanted to pick up some Dr. Earth Premium Gold to get your seedlings fed with a delicious diluted nutrient mix. Now I need to get on aphid patrol. The aphids are starting to get into the little chili starts. You can see there they love getting down in the newest part of the leaves. Pretty frustrating because it's hard to get in there and rub them off. Got to be very delicate. And now I need to also get on the tomato worm patrol. He's already taken out one of the leaves. All right, I hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.